8 assets that make people rich and never work again. Do you dream of financial freedom and never having to work another day in your life? It may seem impossible, but it can be done. With the right assets and strategy, you can become financially independent and achieve the lifestyle you desire. In this video, we'll look at 8 types of assets that can give you financial freedom and help you quit your day job. From real estate investments to passive income streams, these assets can help you reach your financial goals and live life on your terms. 1. Real estate investments. If you're looking for a solid investment that can help you achieve financial freedom, real estate should be at the top of your list. Real estate investments offer a unique opportunity to build wealth and generate passive income over time. One of the main benefits of investing in real estate is the potential for appreciation. Unlike other assets that can fluctuate in value, real estate has historically shown a steady increase in value over time. This means that as a real estate investor, you can potentially see your property appreciate in value, allowing you to sell it for a higher price in the future. In addition to appreciation, real estate investments can also provide a steady stream of income through rental properties. By purchasing properties and renting them out, you can generate a passive income that can help you achieve financial independence. Rental properties have the potential to provide a consistent cash flow, allowing you to cover your expenses and even have some money left over. 2. Stocks and mutual funds. When it comes to investing for financial freedom, stocks and mutual funds are 2 assets that should definitely be on your radar. These assets have the potential to generate significant returns and can help you build wealth over time. Investing in stocks allows you to become a partial owner of a company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares can increase, allowing you to sell them for a profit. Stocks also provide the opportunity to earn dividends, which are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders. These dividends can provide a steady stream of income that can help you achieve financial independence. Mutual funds, on the other hand, offer a more diversified approach to investing. A mutual fund pools money from multiple investors and invests in a variety of stocks and other securities. This diversification can help mitigate risk and increase the likelihood of positive returns. Additionally, mutual funds are typically managed by professionals who have expertise in selecting and managing investments, which can be beneficial for those who are new to investing. 3. Business ownership. If you want to achieve financial freedom and never work another day in your life, owning a business can be a game changer. Business ownership offers immense potential for wealth creation and can be a pathway to achieving your financial goals. By starting your own business, you have the opportunity to build a valuable asset that can generate consistent income and grow in value over time. Whether it's a brick-and-mortar store, an online venture, or a franchise, owning a business allows you to take control of your financial destiny. One of the key benefits of business ownership is the ability to create multiple income streams. As a business owner, you can diversify your revenue sources by offering a range of products or services. This diversification can help protect against economic downturns and market fluctuations, providing you with more stability and security. Moreover, owning a business gives you the power to scale and grow your income. With the right strategies and systems in place, you can expand your operations, increase your customer base, and ultimately, increase your profits. As your business grows, you may even have the option to hire employees or outsource tasks, allowing you to focus on higher-level activities or enjoy more leisure time. 4. Intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights can be a lucrative asset that can provide long-term financial freedom. Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary works, designs, and symbols. By securing and monetizing these rights, individuals can generate passive income and build wealth. One of the most well-known forms of intellectual property is patents. Patents protect inventions and give the patent holder exclusive rights to make, use, and sell the invention for a specified period of time. If you have a groundbreaking idea or invention, Obtaining a patent can be a valuable asset that can bring in significant profits. Licensing your patent to other companies or selling it outright can provide a steady stream of income without the need for ongoing work. Another form of intellectual property is copyrights. Copyrights protect original creative works, such as books, music, art, and software. By owning the copyright to a work, you have the exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, and display the work. This means you can earn royalties from the sale of books, music downloads, or licensing agreements with other companies. 5. Collectibles and art. Collectibles and art can be more than just hobbies or decorations. They can also be valuable assets that can bring you financial freedom. From rare coins and stamps to fine art and vintage toys, collectibles can appreciate in value over time, allowing you to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. One of the main advantages of investing in collectibles is their uniqueness and scarcity. Rare and limited edition items are highly sought after by collectors, and as the supply diminishes, the demand and value increase. This means that if you own a valuable collectible, its worth can skyrocket over time, allowing you to sell it for a significant profit. Art is another asset class that can provide both aesthetic pleasure and financial gain. Investing in fine art can be a lucrative venture, as renowned artworks by master artists have proven to appreciate in value over the years. By purchasing original pieces or limited edition prints, you can potentially see your art collection grow in value, allowing you to sell it for a handsome return on investment. 6. Royalties from creative work. Are you a creative individual who dreams of making a living doing what you love? Well, royalties from creative work could be the key to achieving financial freedom while pursuing your passion. Whether you're a writer, musician, photographer, or any other type of artist, creating intellectual property can provide a steady stream of income that can support you for years to come. When you create a piece of work, whether it's a book, a song, or a photograph, you have the opportunity to license that work and earn royalties. Royalties are payments that you receive when someone uses your work, whether it's through sales, streaming, or licensing agreements. This means that even when you're not actively creating new content, you can still earn money from the work you've already done. 7. Rental properties. If you're looking for a tried and true asset that can help you achieve financial freedom, look no further than rental properties. Investing in rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of passive income and help you build long-term wealth. When you own rental properties, you have the ability to generate income on a monthly basis by renting out your property to tenants. This consistent cash flow can help you cover your expenses, such as mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. And if you're able to charge higher rental rates or invest in multiple properties, you can even have money left over to reinvest or enjoy. One of the advantages of rental properties is that they have the potential for appreciation over time. As property values increase, so does the equity in your investment. This means that if you decide to sell your rental property in the future, you could potentially make a substantial profit. 8. Dividend-paying stocks. When it comes to building wealth and achieving financial freedom, dividend-paying stocks are a valuable asset that should not be overlooked. Dividends are regular payments made by companies to their shareholders as a portion of their profits. These payments can provide a steady stream of income and help you achieve your financial goals. Investing in dividend-paying stocks offers several advantages. First, dividends provide a consistent cash flow that can help cover your expenses and allow you to enjoy a passive income. Unlike other assets that may fluctuate in value, dividends are typically paid on a regular basis, providing a stable source of income. Second, dividend-paying stocks have the potential for growth. Companies that consistently pay dividends often have solid financial performance and a track record of success. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares can increase, allowing you to benefit from both the dividend payments and potential capital appreciation. Furthermore, dividend-paying stocks offer the opportunity for compounding returns. Instead of spending the dividend payments, you can reinvest them by purchasing more shares of the stock. Over time, This reinvestment can significantly increase your investment and accelerate your wealth building process. If you enjoy our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.